न कोई, वही एक राज है तू। कभी तू रूठ बैठी, कभी तू मुस्कुराई, अरे किसी से की मोहब्बत, किसी से बेवफाई, किसी से की मोहब्बत, किसी से बेवफाई। उड़ाए होश तौबा तेरी आंखें शराबी, उड़ाए होश तौबा तेरी आंखें शराबी। जमाने में हुई है इन्हीं से हर खराबी। बुलाए छाँव कोई, पुकारे धूप कोई, तेरा हो रंग कोई, तेरा हो रूप कोई हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं नाम तेरा। रजिया हो या राधा, वादा तेरा वादा, वादा तेरा वादा, वादे पे तेरे मारा गया बंदा मैं सीधा साधा। वादा तेरा वादा, वादा तेरा वादा।
Super, Anand, super, well sung. Over to Bijal. Bijal, you're next. Go ahead. Followed by Guldeep.
Okay. Request everybody to step. Request everybody to stand up and dance. I was actually supposed to sing Mera Babu Chel Chabila, but my board has asked me to sing this song, so this is Chura Liya to all of y'all. Please stand up and dance. Stand up and dance, everybody. चुरा लिया है तूने जो दिल को, नजर में ही चुराना सनम। बदल के मेरी तू जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम। मेरा दिल मेरा दिल, हाय दिल भी कर मुझको ना पहचाना। चुरा लिया है तूने जो दिल को, नजर में ही चुराना सनम। बदल के मेरी तू जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम। बाहर बन के आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में। बाहर बन के आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं इसी तमन्ना में। तुम मेरे हो, तुम मेरे हो, मुझ तुम इतना वादा करके जाना। चुरा लिया है तूने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम। बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम। Thank you.
Wonderful, Bijal. Wonderful, Bijal. We have past president Guldeep. Guldeep, go ahead. The mic's all yours.
Gopal,
Yeah.
Where can I find Mr. Gurdeep?
Oh, okay.
I have to unmute him. But if I unmute everybody, then
No, don't unmute everybody. Guldeep, can you hear me? Raise your hand. Where is he? Where is he? Okay. We move ahead. We'll get Guldeep back. Ravi, are you ready? Yes. Yes, Ravi. Go ahead. He's here, Srini.
Who's it?
Ravi Chawla. Go ahead. Chawla, just wave your hand.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
You have unmuted. Yes, go ahead, Ravi.
Okay,
Go ahead.
okay, thank you. Hi guys, giving you a Hemant Kumar song, Baat Ek Raat Ki. I'm not singing on track like others are singing. I'm singing the normal song.
Great, go ahead.
Can you hear me? Can you
Yes,
hear me?
yes, go ahead, go ahead.
न हम तुम्हें जाने मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया न तुम हमें जानो ये मौसम ये रात चुप है ये होठों की बात चुप है खामोशी सुनाने लगी है दास्तां ये मौसम ये रात चुप है ये होठों की बात चुप है खामोशी सुनाने लगी है दास्तां नजर बन गई है दिल की जुबान न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया मोहब्बत के मोड़ पे हम मिले सबको छोड़ के हम धड़कते दिलों का लेके ये कारवां मोहब्बत के मोड़ पे हम मिले सबको छोड़ के हम धड़कते दिलों का लेके ये कारवां चले आज दोनों जाने कहाँ न तुम हमें जानो न हम तुम्हें जाने मगर लगता है कुछ ऐसा मेरा हमदम मिल गया Thank you, everybody.
Wonderful, Ravi, wonderful. Mickey, are you there? Mickey, can you unmute yourself, please? Anyway, we move ahead. Jayshree. Paresh, Jayshree.
Yeah, Jayshree, you're unmuted. Please go ahead.
Go ahead, Jayshree.
Okay, I'm singing or the duet is
Is it
singing?
solo or duet?
Whatever. Your time is yours. Go ahead.
Okay, just a minute. What we'll do?
Go make it.
Hmm? Yeah.
है किसी के प्यार में सुबह शाम, पर तुम्हें लिख नहीं पाऊं मैं उसका नाम। हाय राम, हाय राम। कुछ लिखा? क्या लिखा? है किसी के आगे क्या लिखा? आगे सोचा था एक दिन मैं उनसे मिलके कह डालूं अपने सब हाल दिल के, और कर दूं जीवन उसके हवाले, फिर छोड़ दे चाहे अपना बना ले। मैं तो उसका रे हुआ दीवाना क्या, अब तो है जैसे भी मेरा हो अनजान। तो गुम है किसी के प्यार में दिल सुबह शाम, पर तुम्हें लिख नहीं पाऊं मैं उसका नाम। हाय राम, हाय राम। ठीक है यार?
Super, super, Paresh. Excellent. Okay, we have Ravi now. Ravi, MIAI. Srini, you need to unmute him. Oh, sorry, you're still singing? One stanza, one antra, one mukra, please. We'll come back, Paresh. We'll come back for the next song. Get ready. Srini, MIAI to be unmuted. That's Ravi.
I'm just trying to spot him.
He's on the first screen itself. MIAI.
Can he wave his hand?
Wave, Ravi, wave your hand. Yeah, he can. He's waving. He's wearing a black T-shirt.
No, I can't see him.
Okay, then
Our
will be
screens
fine.
are different in all probability. Let me.
Yes. Okay. Now we go to Mickey. Mickey, where are you? Mickey has logged in as Mickey itself.
Mickey, I just spotted him. 1 second.
Yes. Okay. Just unmute Mickey. Then we'll come back to Ravi.
Okay.
Mickey, ready?
Is it okay now?
Yes, Mickey. Go ahead.
One mukra and one antara?
Yes,
Is it?
please. All of you,
Okay.
one mukra, one antra. We have a long list.
Okay. That Hemant Kumar was excellent. Okay, it's Ghulam Ali's Dil Mein Ek Leher.
Fabulous. Go ahead, sir.
दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी, कोई ताजा हवा चली है अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी। आ आ आ शोर बरपा है खानाए दिल में, शोर बरपा है खानाए दिल में, शोर बरपा है खानाए दिल में, कोई दीवार सी गिरी है अभी, कोई दीवार सी गिरी है अभी, कोई ताजा हवा चली है अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी, आ, कुछ तो नाजुक मिजाज है हम भी, कुछ तो नाजुक मिजाज है हम भी, कुछ तो नाजुक मिजाज है हम भी, और ये चोट भी नहीं कभी, और ये चोट भी नहीं है अभी, कोई ताजा हवा चली अभी, दिल में एक लहर सी उठी है अभी। थैंक यू।
Excellent, excellent singing. Come on, Ravi, it's your turn now. Go ahead, start.
Okay, I'm unmuted.
Yes, yes, go ahead. We can hear you.
I'm a big fan of Rishi Kapoor, and I'll sing a very popular song of Rishi Kapoor. So here you go, guys.
मैं शायर तो नहीं, मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर ऐ हंसी, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर हंसी, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं आशिक तो नहीं, मगर हंसी, जब से देखा मैंने आशिकी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना, मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं खबर। प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना, मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं खबर। मैं भूल जा रहा हूँ उसको मेरा दुश्मनों की तरह मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मगर हंसी
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. The next singer is Sweetie, but we are not able to spot you. Under what name have you registered, logged in, please? I have no idea. Sweetie. Okay, Amrish, are you ready with your song? Srini, we will unmute Amrish Piti. He's here. I can spot him until we find Sweetie.
Amrish, can he wave his hand?
Not Shah, Amrish Piti. He's wearing a yellow t-shirt.
Okay.
He's waving.
Yes, unmuted. Please go ahead.
Go ahead, Amrish. Go ahead, Amrish.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिर आए सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिर हाथ सुलझे।
Excellent. Well done. Srini, you need to unmute Jayashri Chaudhary now for a solo song. And after that, we have Sweetie from Kanpur. Sweetie ji, kahan ho aap? Where are they?
Jayashri, you're unmuted. Please go ahead.
Jayashri,
Yeah,
go
1
ahead.
minute. I've got the बाहों में चलिया
बाहों में चले
बाहों में चलिया हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, ये आज नहीं मिलन के संग बाहों में चलिया हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा, हमसे सनम क्या पर्दा।
You done? We can't hear you.
चले ही जाना है की चले जाना है फिर थामी किसी को ना बिना ऐसा कोई बाहों में चले हमसे सनम प्यार पैदा हो हमसे सनम प्यार पैदा.
Super. Well sung.
Thank you.
Ravi Chawla, you're next.
We can't hear the music.
Srini, you need to unmute Chawla.
Where do I find him?
Wave, wave, please wave. Yeah, there's a couple who both are waving. Redmi. Okay. You got that? Wave.
No.
Chawla sir. Yes, yes. Please wave. Please wave.
Under what name are they registered?
Chawla, Chawla. CHAWLA. She's drinking water. Both are wearing black.
Okay. I moved to end the screen because I thought they already sang this number.
He sang, I didn't.
Okay, you're on.
Okay, I'm Bhupinder. No mic, no track, just plain singing.
Wonderful. Please go ahead.
ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी पे ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागनी में ये बाहों में बाहें ये बहकी निगाहें लो आने लगा जिंदगी का मजा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा ये चंचल हवा
Fabulous, fabulous, Ji. Excellent singing. Okay, next to her is Redmi. Srini, can you see Redmi? I think that is Sweetie. We found her.
Who?
Sweetie, can you shake your, can you just wave? I can only see your fan. I can only see the fan. Yes, okay. The Redmi next to Chawla Ji is Sweetie. Wow, treasure hunt. You need to have.
Is this? Yeah, no sweet is there. She's gone to sleep.
No, Hagi. She's next to you.
नहीं सो गई.
Gopal, there is some problem. I'm unable to mute her. She has to mute or unmute.
Please
herself.
unmute yourself, Sweetie. You need to unmute the 3 blue buttons on top. Click on that and unmute yourself. Okay. In the meantime, till she unmutes.
So we can have Gopal. While I'm trying her, we can
Bindu.
have Preeti.
No, wait, hold on. No. Please wait. We have on public demand. Bindu, are you still there? Yes, you need to sing your first song again, please.
I unmuted Bindu.
Bindu, you're unmuted. Go ahead. Bindu, you're on live. She can hear you. Okay, mute her back. Mute her back, Srini. She's busy. Yes, Sweetie. Go ahead. Unmute yourself and sing, please. नहीं हो रहा, छोड़ो फिर. Okay, Satish Gupta.
Problem, yeah. There's a.
Bindu, you need to sing the first song again.
Anyway, I think there's a long queue. Yeah, I'll wait.
Urgency.
नहीं,
Preeti,
नहीं,
four
problem
more to
है,
go.
can
Preeti,
I
hold
put
on.
you on?
4 more to go.
Call and sing for you. I think he's put me on.
No, hold on, Preeti.
Maybe मैं तेरे लिए गाना.
Bindu is singing. After Bindu, you will sing.
Which song?
The first one.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Satish Gupta is sir.
Is connected successfully.
David, get ready with your poem.
ये लोग कोई जिक्र गाओ के No, sir. एक प्यार का नगमा है मौजों की रवानी है एक प्यार का नगमा है मौजों की रवानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है एक प्यार का नगमा है मौजों की रवानी है जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं तेरी मेरी कहानी है एक प्यार का नगमा है तूफान तो आना है, आकर चले जाना है, बादल है ये कुछ पल का, छाकर चले जाना है, परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, मेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यारा है, मौजों की रवानी है, ला 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 ला, एक प्यारा नगमा है। Thank you.
Super, Bindu, super. Okay, now we have Preeti Mehra, followed by Chandrika from Coimbatore, and then a poem from David. I'm not able to find Satish Gupta. Please wave or let me know on what name you have logged in.
Gopal, who's the next one?
Preeti Mehra.
No, Preeti Mehra unmuted. Next.
Uske baad Chandrika from Coimbatore.
Okay.
And then we have David from Calcutta.
Okay, can we start?
Yes, Preeti, go ahead.
चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। अपना ही साया देख के तुम जान जहाँ शर्मा गए, अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबराए, मेरा प्यार होगा सोचो तो जरा, आए सिर आगे बढ़ा कीजिए, दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। मेरा तराना हो नहीं, इन झुकती पलकों के सिवा दिल का ठिकाना हो नहीं, जगता ही नहीं आँखों में कोई, दिल तुमको ही चाहे तो क्या कीजिए, दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए।
Wonderful, Preeti, wonderful.
Said who?
Chandrika, your turn.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
ये समा समा है प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। ये समा है प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। कुछ ऐसे सपने बसने लगे आँखों में, कुछ ऐसे सपने कोई बुलाए जैसे नैनों से अपने, नैनों से अपने समा दीदार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का।
होल्ड करके रखो।
अपने बलम से मिल के ख्यालों में ही
singing well.
अपने बलम से नींद गवाई अपनी मैंने कसम से, मैंने कसम से। ये समा है कुमार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। ये समा है प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का।
Fabulous. Chandrika ji, you have a fabulous voice. In the next event, we are going to make you one of the lead singers.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay, I just need Pankaj Vats. Could you help Sweetie to unmute her phone? She's been trying for quite some time and we are not able to help her. Could you ask somebody to help her unmute from Kanpur, please? Okay, it's David now who has a poem, followed by Mithun and then Kiran Biligiri. Patience, my boy.
Okay.
Yes, David, all yours.
Yeah. I hope I can be heard by everybody.
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
So I have a prize money, not a prize money, a contribution to 41 clubs of 5,001 rupee. If in the 3 questions or 3 statements that I make going forward, whichever area can answer and that answers to you, I don't know, you have to unmute everybody, Gopal.
That will be difficult, David. We don't want to do that because I suggest you ask the question.
Then I connect you to area 6.
No, David, you ask the question and our president will answer it. You could transfer it to the association. He will give it back to the area 6.
Okay, Babji.
We'll double it.
Okay, Babji.
Babji.
Okay, I was born in 1961. I was born in 1961. Some 160 years ago, another gentleman was born in a Bengali family. And he, not by Jim Morrison writing American prayer, but he wrote an Indian prayer, which became also by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in 1942 while he was in Germany. he said this has to be the anthem.
National anthem.
Okay. And he was known as a Bard of India. He was known as the Bard of India. Shakespeare was for United Kingdom, those days, England, but he was known as a Bard of India from Bengal. And I say in paraphrase, if I can say it correctly, if you cry because the sun has gone out of your life, I repeat, if you cry, the sun has gone out of your life, the tears in which will prevent you from seeing the stars. Okay, I repeat, if you cry because the sun has gone out of your life, your tears will prevent you from seeing the stars. Very meaningful and prayerful words. Later on in 1900, he wrote Bengali prose. He's a Bengali, so he in Bengali, any Bengali guys there, you can answer that Chitto Jita Bhaggo Shunno, which in other words translates to where the mind is without fear. Babji, if you're not got it still, I'm going to take 21,000 back to my area, area 6, whatever donation you get from whichever area.
Pankaj, can you unmute Pankaj? Pankaj is our historian.
No.
Pankaj. No, we have. You have
It's very interesting. Why I come to this? His birthday was yesterday.
Pankaj, I'm unable. Pankaj, you're unmuted.
My guess would be there's only the most endearing Bengali which we all love is Rabindranath Tagore. I mean, I would.
Are you sure about this? What you're saying?
Yes,
now, you may love him, but is it the fact? What I'm saying? Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can sign it out.
Yes, sir. I agree 100%. The second
So-
poem that you said, definitely it's so famous.
Okay. Pankaj, you're from which area?
Area 3.
Area 3.
And Babji is which area?
Babji is the boss of all the areas.
No, but what area? He hails from a birth from which area?
7.
7. So 7, 3, and 6. So I'm going to flip a coin. It will go through area 6 to area 3 to area 7 to the national.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Well done, David. Thank you for your contribution.
No. But
I heard it as 50,000, right? That's the contribution.
No. 5,000.
Yeah, David Babu.
5,000.
क्या बंगाली हो के क्यों बंगाल का नाम खराब करते हो? 50,000 कीजिए.
हम लोग का because हम लोग already 45,000 area 6 दे दिया.
चलो ठीक. Thank you very much for your
No,
contribution.
it's not that's not the end, but I want to read something which it's a poem. And the reason why I'm saying it is by Rabindranath Tagore, which he declined the night. We all should know it. So question is, amongst all the fun and frolic that we're having, I'll take 2 minutes more. Gopal, 3 minutes
Go
more.
ahead. 2 minutes.
So,
Go ahead.
he is the first person who denied the kingship, the knighthood.
Knighthood,
When
yes.
after Gitanjali was given to him in 1911, when the Jalalabad Bad massacre happened, he revoked it and he gave it back. In 1942, why I'm trying to put it all is because we are going through a very trifle time, which is, I don't know where it's going to end. It's the beginning, where it's going to end, what is going to happen to life. But the mind, what I'm trying to say is we are going to get screwed eventually. What I'm saying with Rabindranath's song, may I read it out?
Yes,
sir. Go ahead, quickly.
Where the mind is without fear, and this was Shashi Tharoor said it in the parliament, it was all screwball with poetry, but I'm telling with passion in my heart. Where the mind is without fear, and the hell is held high. Where knowledge is free, where the world has not broken upon the fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of the truth, where tireless striving stretches in arms towards perfection, where clear streams of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is still led forward by thee into ever-winding thoughts of action, into the heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. So this is what I have to say. This was a Bengali thing, what he wrote some time ago. And in 1950, this was first time put across in English language which became one of the award poetries in the world.
David, when was Rabindranath Tagore born?
He was born 1861. That's why I said the quiz was 1861. I was born in 1962.
Super.
The difference of so many years.
Wonderful.
What I believe, he what a Bengali poet, artist, his father, Siddhartha Shankar Ray. Let me put it another thing all should know. Everyone must have heard of Siddhartha Shankar Ray, the famous film director, film director, applauded by the world cinematography section. His father, Shukumar Ray, died at the young age of 38 through tuberculosis. He brought his son, Siddhartha Shankar Ray, to Rabindranath Tagore in Shantiniketan when Siddhartha Shankar Ray was 8 years old as a boy. Meeting Rabindranath Tagore, father maybe then was maybe 30, 31, 36, 30, 29, 30.
David, come to the point.
And
we have a lot of people to sing.
Is,
come to the point, yeah.
Come to the point is, Rabindranath Tagore and Siddhartha Shankar Ray has such an equation. All the films that you see of Siddhartha Shankar Ray is all most of us stories of Rabindranath Tagore. My whiskey is speaking now. Good night.
Say good night. Thank you, David, for the wonderful gesture. 5,000 to Area 3.
Area 6.
Okay.
I give it to Hitesh to do the appropriation.
Fair enough. Yes. Hitesh will do the justice to it. Okay, we move ahead. People, we go to Prasad, Dubai, then Mithun, and then Kiran Biligiri, followed by Sandeep.
How can I spot Prasad Dubai?
Prasad, start dancing so that we could spot you. Yeah, he's here. Prasad iPhone. Wait, he's wearing an orange shirt, a rust shirt actually. He's got a beard, COVID beard, and glasses. Yes.
Okay.
He's unmuted, I think. No, he is.
Yeah.
Prasad, go ahead.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Go ahead, Prasad.
All right. जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम तो फिर नहीं आते तो फिर नहीं आते जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम तो फिर नहीं आते तो फिर नहीं आते फूल खिलते हैं लोग मिलते हैं फूल खिलते हैं लोग मिलते हैं मगर पतझड़ में जो फूल मुरझा जाते हैं वो बहारों के आने से खिलते नहीं कुछ लोग के रोज जो बिछड़ जाते हैं वो हजारों के आने से मिलते नहीं उम्र भर चाहे कोई पुकारा करे उनका नाम वो फिर नहीं आते वो फिर नहीं आते That's it. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful, Prasad. Mithun, you may start. Okay, where do we find Mithun? Srini, could you locate Mithun? You need to unmute Prasad, Sarvana Prasad.
Sarvana Prasad, okay.
Yes, unmute him.
Okay. And,
Yes,
next
go ahead.
after this,
After that is Kiran Beligiri. Kiran Beligiri is after.
Hi, this is Prasad from Vellore. My son is going to render a song. He's better than me in singing, so I thought he'll do it. Yeah,
Go ahead, Mithun. Go ahead, Mithun.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा कर हो जाएंगे तो तुझसे ही रहेंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं। तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीत, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी। कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो जान भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी। अब तुम ही हो।
Wonderful, great.
तेरे लिए ही जिया मैं उसको जो यूं दे दिया है, तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला। तेरे साथ मेरा है नसीब जुड़ा, तुझे पाके अधूरा रहा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी। अब तुम ही हो मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो।
Wonderful, wonderful.
Mithun. Thank you.
Kiran, it's your turn now, followed by Sandeep. Oh, sorry, Siddharth, and then Sandeep.
Okay. Thanks, Gopal. And hello, friends. It's nice seeing you all after the midterm meet in Hyderabad. And I'm going to sing the song by Kishore Kumar
Go
from the
ahead,
movie
Kiran.
Sagar.
चेहरा है मिला है नींद गने की शाम है क्या सागर जैसी आंखों वाली क्यों बताते नाम है क्या